Hello everybody, very happy to be here. I prepared this at 5 p.m. when I got to know that they're going to be calling all of us on stage. Yeah. So, all of you must have seen this ad very long back of Dhara Oil says, "My Papa's strongest," or "My Daddy's strongest." Yeah. I would like to say, "My Papa's simplest." If anyone is as simple as him, I don't think I've met anybody as humble as him. And as his only pampered daughter, he has always been a very special part of my life. The most important virtues I've tried to imbibe from him are humility, simplicity, and genuineness. He's the most humble human being known to me, treating all who he knows equally. And that's a very unique quality to have in today's world. To have you all honor him today could have been the best thing that could have happened to him in his life at this difficult time. You all have to maybe raise him from his current life and make him feel extra special, and that's what you all are doing. I'm very thankful to all of you. As an ode to his lifelong commitment to his first love, not his wife, his factory. Thank you everybody that you all have made his innings such a super success. His biggest wealth is your love towards him and the fact that you all are all celebrating him today. It makes me very proud and very happy. Thank you.
I'm honored to be here today to be part of this grand celebration, and my congratulations and good wishes to everyone. Papa has always been a huge inspiration. I think he has said many things, so I'll just say one more thing, which I don't know whether you all know. We used to have a publication called FACOR News, yes. A newsletter. I'm standing here because of that newsletter. Because that was sent across to me before PRIA and we met, and I saw the activities that you all were doing and what you all have so proudly tried to encompass here in some ways. I think that spirit is still living on in all of you, because otherwise you all would not be here today. So what the seeds you all have planted so many decades back, that Papa and you all have planted together as a FACOR family, are still bearing fruit. I believe firmly in the process of rebirth. And I think it's not just personal rebirth, but even companies. Maybe companies sometimes need to reinvent themselves or even give rebirth to themselves. But what is the soul of the company? It's present in this room. I'm sure that the soul will give rebirth. Thank you.